Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Caryn Prince. If you guys clicked on this video, you want to see how I got this sleek ponytail, go ahead and stay tuned for these next couple of clips to see how I achieve this look. Okay guys, so my hair is already parted down the middle, so I'm just going to wet my hair with the spray bottle and then throw a shower cap on top so that my hair stays wet while I'm doing my makeup. And just in case you guys were wondering, I got this spray bottle from the Dollar Tree. So now I'm going to put some leave-in conditioner in my hair. I'm going to use the Jamaican Black Castor Oil leave-in conditioner. This is by SHEA Moisture. After I do that, I'm going to detangle my hair with this wide tooth comb here and then put the shower cap on. This is how much product I'm going to use. Okay, now I'm just going to pull it back into that ponytail I had it in. Put my rubber band around it. Or actually, I'm going to use my hair tie. Shouldn't be using that rubber band. And put my shower cap on. And now time for some makeup. Okay, so boom, my makeup is done. I'm going to use the Eco Styler Olive Oil Gel, and then I'm going to use the SHEA Moisture Kids Curling Cream to help slick my hair down. Okay, now I use two brushes. I use like this pink bristle brush, and then of course I use a baby hair toothbrush. And then for my hair tie, I use this kind. I don't know the name of these. I know that I get them from my local beauty supply. I live in the LA area, and I love these because they have no seams. Like there's no place where your hair can get snagged off on these particular hair ties. Like it's just a continuous circle. Okay, so I'm going to take about this much gel and I'm going to start to slick down my hair along the part. And I'm just pressing it down into my hair. Okay, and at this point I'm going to use my brush and I'm going to start to smooth it down. And it's just so easy to do because my hair has already been detangled. And I have my leave-in conditioner in here. So that helps a lot. Okay, so I'm going to start to mold this into a ponytail. I'm just going to keep brushing it down towards the area where I want my ponytail to set. I'm going to take some of the kids curling cream, and I'm just going to take about this much, rub it in my hands, and put that on top of the gel. And again, press that down into my hair. Go back with the brush and brush it down. Still forming it into the shape that I want and forming it into the area where I want my ponytail to go. Okay, so now that I have it, you know, pretty much where I want it to go, I'm going to put my hair tie on. I'm gonna take a little bit more gel because I can feel some parts back here that I want to be a little bit more smooth. And then I'm gonna go in with my brush, holding my hair in the area where I want my ponytail to go. brush up the back. And put the ponytail holder on. Now I'm going to place my ponytail low, but not too low to where it's right on the nape of my neck, because for one, after a while it starts to hurt, and for two, I don't want to cause too much tension on the nape of my neck. Okay, and boom, there goes my little ponytail right there. Okay, and now I'm going to go in with more gel. Yes, more gel. Yes, I am. And I'm going to layer that on. And now I'm going to take my baby hair toothbrush and I'm going to smooth that out. I'm basically using both brushes. Where I feel I need it, you will feel certain spots in your hair where you feel maybe you need the bigger brush, so go ahead and use it. And I'm just going to keep smoothing it down. And then I'm going to take just a little bit more gel just to go over my whole hair so that there's no flyaways, and just to have everything smooth. Okay, now for my baby hairs. Taking a little bit of gel on this toothbrush, and I don't have any particular way. I just kind of freestyle them. I freestyle them until I get what I like. Okay, so now I'm actually going to attach a ponytail that I made. In this video, I'm not going to show you guys how I made the ponytail, but if you guys want a video for that, please let me know down in the comment section. If you guys are using your natural hair to complete this style, go ahead and just take your hair. This is what I normally do. I recently just cut my hair, so my hair is kind of short. That's why I'm going to go ahead and put on an extension ponytail, but I usually just take it, put some gel on my natural hair, on the ponytail, finger detangle it, and then I take it and I tuck it under and I pin it. And that's what I would usually do. Once my hair starts to grow a little bit more, I'm going to start wearing my natural hair again. But in this case, I'm going to add on a ponytail that I made. So let me go ahead and braid up my ponytail. Okay, and that's how that's looking. I just did it very loosely. Okay guys, here is the ponytail. This is what I'm going to attach onto my natural hair. I'll just give you a brief description on how I made this. I took a hair net and I went ahead and sewed on some wefts onto the net, and then I put an elastic band around at the top. I would really have to make a video, but that's just like a quick synopsis of what I did. So I'm going to take the ponytail and attach it as if I was putting on an elastic band just around my hair. Right now I'm just taking a couple of bobby pins and I'm just pinning that down to secure it. Like I said, if you guys want a full tutorial on how I did that, then let me know. Okay, now I'm going to take a piece of hair and brush it with a little gel on my brush, brush it, and wrap it around the base of my ponytail. And there you have it. That is it. That is how I do my slick hairstyle, my slick ponytail. I love this hairstyle. It's my absolute favorite. I'll go ahead and put my earrings in. Okay guys, so I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was simple enough for you guys to follow. Let me know if you try out this look. If you have any questions, go ahead and leave those questions down in the comment section. Thank you guys for viewing. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and see you guys next time. Bye.